Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome. So this is going to be XRP news today. Yeah, there's interesting stuff I want to share with you today. But first I want to cover that yesterday there was a huge flash crash, and before that day I've been basically selling cryptocurrencies and stacking USDT and stable coins. And then I bought the dip when it, for example, Chainlink was like $25. I bought it and then I sold it at $30, and then I got out of the gain of the market because I don't feel like I think that there's going to be, the crash is not going to be just one crash, it's going to be multiple ones, and it's going to be a huge one. So in the past it has been like 30% and 30% and 30%. So we're going to see how brutal this deep is going to be and this crash. But there's definitely that in the air, because even though now it dipped a little bit, there was people bought in. Okay, but it doesn't hold, it just goes, people start selling again. Okay, so there's massive fear now on the markets, and because there are several reasons why this happens now. Because, for example, think about influencers now hyping the coins. It doesn't mean that when influencer buys cryptocurrency, it goes up and they will make money. Market doesn't work that way. Market doesn't care if you're influencer or if you're, it doesn't care. Okay, so that's a huge cognitive bias that people have, that now that these influencers buy the coins, that they has to have to go up. Okay, but that doesn't mean it that when they buy it, it doesn't mean necessarily that it will go up and they get even richer. Okay, so with that being said, that's just one of the reasons. um I'm not going to cover all of these because this is going to be XRP news, and I've been creating these videos, and it's funny because people always say that no, there's not many XRP news in this video. And now I just want to show you a couple of XRP videos. But I think that it's, even though I'm not covering like XRP news, I think that it's very important to understand where the market is. Okay, I think it's very stubborn and very not a good way at looking things. It's just like looking it at one perspective. So what I just said affects XRP too. Okay, but anyway, so here's a interesting news. So MoneyGram, so Ripple ditched by MoneyGram over SEC lawsuit. Okay, and in addition, company is not planning for any benefit from Ripple market development fees in the first quarter. There is an uncertainty concerning their ongoing litigation with SEC. The company has suspended trading on Ripple's platform in the first quarter of 2020. The company realized a net expense of benefit of 12 million from Ripple market development fees. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see what's going to happen. The SEC lawsuit is still going on. What's going to happen, nobody knows. But yeah, it's basically speculation at this point. The SEC failure to provide a clear framework hindered Ripple's ability to sell XRP to FLS due to regulatory uncertainty. The SEC failures to stifle the fair distribution of XRP shares. It's not the lack of customers, but the lack of clarity. Yeah. Huh. It's very interesting. But Kobe is saying, not being in leverage position is really like flipping a witch for stress. Very anxious in a low battery, but phone needed far from home. Kind of leverage at even at 100%. Yeah, leverage is. I don't never use leverage. It's very, the market is so volatile that you will get liquidated, and market works that way, that it will liquidate people who want to get instantly rich. It doesn't work that way. Yeah, outrun assisted means, huh? There's some so here, Robert, okay, all genius who called the dump after a pump from, where do we rebuy since you're so smart? That's funny. Where do we buy since you're so smart? I have no idea, but I'm just going to watch how brutal the dump is going to be. But that's very good question, because yeah, that's fair question, because for example, I didn't see the pump from $3,000 to $50,000. Like, who saw that? Like, who literally could have seen that? But there was certainly the bear market had been going on so long, so it has to be at some point. It had to happen. And for example, when the Bitcoin was like $3,000 to $5,000. Think about it. For example, like Europe. Example, I'm from Europe, so there are some countries here who don't know how to run their countries, and what that means is that the money that they're like the country is just wrecked. So what people on those countries want to do, they don't want to hold that country's currency. So what they're going to do what they want to call gold. Well, you can't carry gold around. Okay, so Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies are the next best thing. So that you could have like argued that it was very plainly to see that it's going to pump. But anyway, it's so easy to look at it afterwards, but very interesting to me. By the way, a day before this dumb, my girlfriend woke up and said, I had a dream that you were chased by a bear. That's funny. Good morning. Boom, boom, boom. Last night trading volume. I failed to uphold my constitution of the day. Ripple. Last but not least. With that easy feeling, I got Ripple Labs. Kraken plans to halt XRP trading for US residents from boom, boom, boom. MoneyGram, more like money gone. MoneyGram no longer uses Ripple's payment solution over SEC lawsuit. Bitcoin is over 86% in 2021. Everyone relax. Yeah, I'm very bullish on cryptocurrency. Like, think about cryptocurrency. It's the new technology that, like, if you are not bullish on cryptocurrency, I don't know what's happening. But what do you think? But cryptocurrencies are very bullish. But it's all you can't it's like there's thesis, antithesis. So you definitely want to don't want to be like just all in on one or just one opinion, because world is not black and white. So definitely you can be bearish and bullish at the same time, okay? Because there has to be some kind of correction at some point. Ripple anticipates resumption of MoneyGram partnership. Bill Gates says Bitcoin is only for billionaires like Elon Musk. Energy use and its presumed anonymity. It's funny how all these people continuously being on Bitcoin energy consumption XRP. Yeah, XRP is very environmental friendly. If you really think about it, it's very technology is just very good. Okay, and I'm sure you know because I'm pretty sure like XRP community, like they have done their research, like at least on a lot of them. 15% correct noise. This is why Bear thought 80% of his portfolio. I mean, you didn't think we'd hit with a strong correction, right? Bitcoin bumped. Yeah. Correction has to happen. But it's very interesting to see like how far this correction will take us. Like if you think about it. But I'm going to just like buy these. I'm going to buy the deep, like for sure, because yeah, we are in the bull market. But anyway, anything could happen. Okay, but it's so very interesting to see. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was just light update, just talking here and there, and what I'm saying. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. And comment down below if you have any news that you want to cover with us, because we are as a community. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so see you soon.